I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating your 8th wall account and verifying your email so you can obtain an app ID. This is required for deployment. Once done, enable a Web AR app and choose a template that matches your experience. Make sure to install Node.js LTS and Git on your machine, then clone the starter repository. You'll need the app ID for config files, set environment variables, or update the project config immediately to avoid build time friction. Now you build the scene, import lightweight GLTF or GLB assets and compress textures so load times stay low. As you assemble, initialize XR8 modules, XR extras, camera pipeline, and any physics or hit test plugins, and register lifecycle hooks for start, update, and stop events. Configure anchors, image or marker targets, and lighting to match real-world scale. Once set, test locally with the 8th wall preview, and iterate on model. To finish, insert your app ID, confirm allowed domains, and run the production build to generate optimized assets. Deploy either to 8th wall hosting or an external CDN with HTTPS and correct CORS headers so devices can load resources. Test on multiple phones and browsers to validate camera permission flows and performance. If things go wrong, check the browser console and 8th wall logs for errors, verify app ID/domain settings, and reduce asset size or disable modules to isolate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.